Tired of wrestling with complex automation workflows? Today, we're diving into a game-changing technique using ChatGPT to build N8n workflows, turning your plain English ideas into automated reality. First, head over to ChatGPT. Whether it's the free version or the paid one doesn't matter, the method is the same. Now, clearly define your desired workflow in natural language. For example, you might say create an N8n workflow that monitors a Google Sheet for new entries and sends a Slack notification when a new row is added. Be as descriptive as possible. Watch as ChatGPT generates a workflow structure, suggesting the necessary nodes like a Google Sheets trigger and a Slack notification. It might even give you some basic configuration advice. Carefully review the generated workflow and copy the text response to your clipboard. Open up N8n and create a new workflow. Now, paste in the workflow description and configure each node based on the specific settings for your chosen services. And that's it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to kickstart your N8n workflow, saving you time and effort. Happy automating!